Good morning. Happy Easter. Going out for a surf. I'm super excited. I haven't surfed I haven't surfed here in a while. I got my GoPro on a selfie stick today. Let's hope I don't drop it like I did with my last camera. Looking a little bit harder to hold. We're gonna try our best today. I have to stick around on the inside. The perspective is a lot wider when I have this selfie stick. It's kind of nice. It's just more uncomfortable. And I forgot a haircut. You guys came separate? Cheers! Alright. You're in the video. Everybody get in here. Everyone get in here. Let's go. We gotta face this way, the sun.
We're just gotta go on the other side of the sky.
Wait, turn this way, turn.
The wind is turning. Oh, watch out.
Oh my, don't hit my head again.
Okay. I don't want to hit
You in here?
I don't care about my own. You in it?
Hold my hand. Hold my hand.
Deb, your hair's too big.
Happy Easter! Wow!
Happy Easter.
It's my keister.
Minute.
Love you guys.
I'm going. Always up when I come out. That's
I gotta carry this stupid stick today. I don't like it.
That's fine.
Yeah, it floats. Should be losing my cameras. First wave of the session. So small. Kind of tough to catch waves today. Plus this selfie stick is such a pain. If you've been following along, I lost my other camera at White Plains with the mouth melt. So that kind of sucked. So that's why I have this set up today. Let's catch some more waves. This stupid stick! silly. So slow. Oh well. Maybe this one. I might be the only one having fun out here. Feeling super blessed. Y'all, yeah, I'm just happy. I'm so happy. I'm sorry I haven't been posting on YouTube. I'm so behind on all of my content. Cat's out the bag also. I'm leaving teaching. I should have told you guys sooner. But like I said, I lost my camera, my whole setup at White Plains one day. It wasn't even a big day. It was small, crumbly, windy. But yeah, that's the update from me. You'll definitely be seeing a lot more content. I'm gonna be more consistent and better about my stuff. So if you do like my stuff, please like, subscribe, all that, you know, all that good stuff. Keep being awesome. Love you guys. Mwah. Oops, I was recording that whole time. Such a nice day out. I'm so grateful to be in Hawaii, living here. It's just the best place. Truly the best place on earth. I love it.